Hello, I am Andrea. Welcome back. And today's video is going to be really fun because I am a small business marketer, and as a part of my job, I created a YouTube channel for my company. It started making money on its own. So now, just as kind of a bonus, my company that I work for makes like an extra $1,100, $1,200 a month through their YouTube channel. That is also just helping them get more business organically. It definitely got me thinking about the power of YouTube. It is such a great way to earn extra money that I have all these other ideas for YouTube channels. I'm like, oh man, that would be a good idea for a YouTube channel. That would be a good idea for a YouTube channel. And these ideas would all be ideas that can earn money. I am going to share these ideas with you here today. I do want to say that before you ever make any content, please read this book. I have it linked below if you want to get a copy, but it is The YouTube Formula by Daryl Eves. If you follow any YouTube guru, and P.S. I am not a YouTube guru. I just share what works for me and what doesn't work for me here. He's the real deal. So I hope that you read that book before you make a YouTube channel. So let me get started on my list and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, number one idea is to think about your local area. For instance, do you live anywhere near a tourist attraction-y type place? So I live in the Washington, D.C. suburbs. There are just a billion things that I could do a YouTube channel about here that would also make money. Maybe I wanted to make a YouTube channel just about kind of off the beaten path ideas on touristy things that people can do when they visit Washington, D.C. There are people that you could kind of partner with to sponsor a video, different attractions, maybe a kind of more mom and pop type of attraction who wouldn't mind a little advertising on your channel. Definitely if you live in a tourist attraction type place, that's a no-brainer for me. But even if you don't, there are still things in your area that are unique. As an example, this is kind of silly, but my local area was in the news a little bit for kind of some controversial things going on in the education system. And I did a few videos about that on a different channel. And those views just skyrocketed because those were very searched for terms at the time, like that specific thing that was happening in the news. And there wasn't a lot of national attention about it, but it was a big deal in our community. So something like that, covering like your local whatever, is a great idea for a YouTube channel, and it definitely has the possibility for like sponsorships and stuff like that just locally. My second idea for a YouTube channel is anything having to do with the trades. I'm partial to this because that's what my other YouTube channel is about, learning about the trades, doing anything around your house as far as plumbing and heating and air conditioning related type of stuff. You can interview people. If you are willing to put in the time and effort to interview people, to answer frequently asked questions, then this could be a great channel for you. Third idea for a money-making YouTube channel idea is anything surrounding pets, okay? Pets stuff has a huge audience, and so you could niche down and still have a huge audience, okay? How to trick your dog into taking their medicine, how to get your dog to roll over. You could interview veterinarians, you could interview dog trainers, definitely affiliate possibilities here with pet stuff. Of course, do your own research on this, but I think that that would be a great idea for a YouTube channel. Okay, fourth idea is camping. Camping with kids, camping solo, doing reviews on camping gear or RVs. There is a channel that I love to watch, and he does not own 1,000 RVs, but he has given 1,000 tours of other RVs. So I kind of feel like I know the exact RV that I want to buy if I ever bought an RV because I've seen so many of them already. Definitely an opportunity for sponsorships, obviously. Definitely an opportunity for affiliate stuff when you're talking about all the gear related to camping. And it's definitely something that has a pretty large and growing audience right now. You know that your camping trip will definitely not be canceled. So I think that that is a great idea for a YouTube channel. Okay, idea number 5, canning, quilting, sewing, all of those old school things that people used to know about, but nobody knows about that right now. It's a great niche, okay? And also, again, with the affiliate opportunity and ad revenue opportunity, not a lot of people are making these videos, but they are obviously searched for a lot due to the extreme amount of views that these pretty low quality videos will get. So I think that that's a huge niche that has a lot of opportunity. And like me, I don't know how to sew. I have a sewing machine. I do very little with it, but maybe you make a channel about your quest to become a better seamstress. And so you don't have to be an expert, just like how I am not a marketing expert on here, but I am saying I'm practicing marketing, and I will show you what's working for me or what doesn't work for me, and you just kind of see my journey trying to make the best decisions that I can for my company. Like, that's what I do here on this channel. Okay, number 6 is my favorite idea because I'm just a history nerd. A history of or alternate history of type of a channel. I think that it is so interesting that if you really take any topic and you do about this much extra research than what is kind of commonly known in the general public, you will find some really interesting information in there that I think a lot of people are hungry for. An educational channel about history, kind of alternative history, weird history of stuff. I recently read a book about the history of air conditioning, and I found it fascinating. It's like all the stuff that we didn't know, all of the ways that people used to air condition their homes are just crazy and wild, and it would be a really entertaining YouTube channel to make around that particular topic. Okay, 7th idea, kind of along the same lines, but a how-to channel about something. Definitely want to narrow it down, but how to do certain maybe lawn care type stuff or home care type stuff. I gave the example in my last video about how I'm reading this book called The Useful Book, and it's all about stuff that they used to teach in home ec and shop class. You could use the chapter in that book as a whole bunch of video ideas on how to do these things that they used to teach in home ec. Great affiliate money-making idea that doesn't take a lot of your own expertise to create these videos. Number 8 is all about like house cleaning tips and tricks, how to be efficient, fast, organic, you name it, how they clean their house in other countries that might be different from where you are, remedies from the past that might be useful for today. There's all kinds of ideas that would be a huge search term within YouTube. Number 9, DIY gifts, like how to make your own DIY gift baskets. That could be either personal or for business. I think it's a great idea to give your employees gift baskets on their birthdays or a new hire gift basket, how to make that yourself. You could certainly make money with this channel idea because you could sell these gift baskets. You could get affiliate money for buying the stuff that you're recommending that they use in these gift baskets. Number 10 idea on YouTube channels that will help you make money is that if you have a business, I hope that you are making a YouTube channel about that business. It has certainly worked for me as a marketing manager for a heating and air conditioning company in the Midwest. We get clients off of our YouTube channel. So that is a fantastic way to increase your business. It also becomes just another revenue stream. If you don't have a business and you're thinking about starting one that's unrelated to YouTube, make a YouTube channel about your journey into becoming a business owner, about being an entrepreneur. If I were thinking about starting a business, I would certainly want to watch a channel that has gone through it before me. I think that you could also reach a lot of younger people, maybe in college, who are thinking about the next step. Maybe they have absolutely zero interest in going into the corporate world, but they would love to start a business, but they like to see how it's done. So I hope that these ideas have got you thinking. I will once again say that before you make any content, please read this book. He is a great, great resource. Of course, first think about your audience before you make any content whatsoever. Why does somebody want to see this content? How could this help them? Who are these people that would be watching your content? Answer those questions first before you make the content. I definitely want this to be a bit of a working group to help each other out. So if you are interested in starting a YouTube channel, let me know down below. Also, let me know if it would be helpful for you if I were to make videos kind of walking through the step-by-step process of setting up a brand new YouTube channel from scratch, from absolutely nothing, how to do the research for it, how to make all the graphics and banners and things like that, like literally starting from scratch. Do you want to see that here on this channel? Let me know if that would be a helpful resource for you. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.